All right, as you know, when you do a search off of a regular form on the website, it's going to load the results in the normal area, the main area of the web page. But what if we want to load those search results in a pop-up? Well, the search pop-ups extension for Pop-up Maker can handle that scenario as well. So let's go ahead and try that out. We'll go to the dashboard of the website, and under Pop-up Maker, we're going to go to Add New. I'll wait for the page to load for a minute. And once we're there, we can go ahead and give our pop-up a name. I'm going to call it, for simplicity, search results from page, so that I know what it's called when I look at it on the back end. I'll also copy that and I'll paste that in for the pop-up title. You probably want to dress it up a little bit for your customers and website visitors. For simplicity, I'll have this targeted to the entire site, so that means any search form on the entire site is going to load into here. Under the pop-up type, I'm going to select search results, and the results load method is fine with me. It's using the result selector that works for my theme. Down below, I don't want to do a search pop-up as an origin. I want to go below that to all search forms, and I want to check that off. And you'll see right there, it says enable to set all search forms to load results in this pop-up. So what is a search form? A search form is any form on the site that has a class of search-form. That's the typical WordPress setup for a search form. It's possible that your theme will do something a little bit different, and that's why we've made this other optional way of adding a class to any form on the page to have that loaded search results in this pop-up. So you could go with that method if this first one doesn't work for you, or if you have, I don't know why you would, but if you had multiple forms on the page and you only wanted a certain one to load into this search form. But for the 2015 theme, I know they use all the default stuff. So there will be a form on the page with a class of search form. So checking this off should do it. I'll go back up, publish this. And as soon as that's saved, I could return to the website. And again, I've targeted this to the entire site. So now it should be working for this search form anywhere. I type hello, press enter, pow. Search results loaded from a page into the main, into a search pop-up.